Welcome to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes. Today, we're diving into cash flow management with AI. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to understand, predict, and optimize your business cash flow. First, let's analyze your cash flow patterns. So we'll start with the prompt, analyze these business transactions, where you insert 3 months worth of data and identify revenue patterns, payment cycles, seasonal trends, and recurring expenses. Now, let's predict when you'll actually receive payments. So here we'll use the prompt, based on these customer payment histories, create payment probability timelines, late payment risk factors, and collection strategy recommendations. Now, let's optimize your expense timing. So we'll use the prompt, create an expense optimization plan considering fixed cost payment dates, variable expense patterns, cash buffer requirements, and vendor payment terms. Finally, let's handle seasonal variations. So here we're going to use the prompt, using this seasonal data, develop peak period strategies, low season preparations, cash reserve calculations, and timing adjustments. There you have it, complete cash flow mastery using AI. Want more in-depth financial tips? Like and follow for daily lessons.